Hi, my name is Gino Daniele. I'm 35 years old and can't wait to have a good flow for once. I gotta thank Cody Leclerc for bringing us all out here, dragging us all to Istanbul for the unbelievable cuisine and food. Happy to be here. I think I'm more handsome than all five of them, so.
Feel really good. Really happy about the procedure. Everything's going very well and I'm getting treated awesome. So very good. Me and my cousin Gino thought about it from before. Years ago, back to when maybe 5 to 10 years ago, we thought about it. And then my cousin Gino worked with Cody Leclerc. Cody really put it together and got it to contact with their clinic. And we all did our research with the Smile Clinic, but I gotta say Cody really was the one who got it all together for us.
Hey, my name's Cody and I came here from Canada with 5 of my best friends. I got twice as many grafts as them, so I'm going to be twice as handsome as them.
Giovanni's never been the handsomest guy in the group, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, but this will improve it for sure. I'd like to say thank you to the Smile Clinic for helping me out and doing such a great job.
Cody. My name is Marcus.
My name is Gino.
My name is Giovanni.
My name is Rob.
Cody was driving the bus, yeah.
I seen Gino at work and we got a group of guys together. We said who needed the transplant and we decided to come to Turkey.
It's nice to have each other to bounce ideas off of, kind of go through the recovery and prepare.
Have a good support team with you rather than doing it by yourself.
And check out Istanbul all together because it was fun to see the city and move around, I guess.
Yeah, I got to experience a lot, see the place, see the culture.
We went to actually Italy first, saw a soccer game in Milan, and then we came to Istanbul for 4 days, and here we are.
This is probably I wouldn't say at home we're like best friends. Me and Gino work together. Me and Rob are really good friends. They're cousins, so we don't have, this is our first real trip together. We kind of just put it all together, so I don't think we have anything crazier than this outside of maybe a soccer game in Italy. It was crazy.
Yeah, I would say it was a great experience.
That was very good.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing the results for sure. But yeah,
There's definitely no surprises. I heard a good time to do it was right between 30 years old to 40 years old.
We were waiting for the food treatment to come out. That's what was happening.
honestly, I probably would have waited a little longer, but Cody set everything up and yeah, I'm happy he did.
Follow the true transformation.